front of Jagannath, है ना? So think like a child. Krishna is a small boy, say around 2.5 years, 3 years old. Can you imagine a 2.5, 3-year-old boy? है ना? Very sweet, little he walks around. But there is one activity that he does in Vrindavan which he does not do anywhere else. What is the special activity of Krishna in Vrindavan? Can anyone tell? Eating butter, Hari Bol. Not Amul butter, different. Real butter from Go. Anything else? Huh? हाँ चोर, ये चोरी सिर्फ कृष्णा करता है. एक्चुअली ये स्कूल है, स्कूल में चोरी सिखाते नहीं, चोरी करना गलत है. लेकिन कृष्णा इज द ओरिजिनल चोर. You know, he is the biggest thief of Vrindavan. He go to anybody's house and steal butter. Why he steals butter? Because making butter is very difficult. Girls and boys, sometimes you should go and tell your mother you should make butter in the house. Then you will know how difficult it is. You have to make, you have to boil the milk, make it into curd, then churn the curd, then slowly little butter will come out. Very difficult. So our heart also should become like butter. Then Krishna will come and steal it. All the gopis of Vrindavan are making butter. Shh. Haribol, are you all with me? Yes. So all the gopis of Vrindavan are making butter. They actually want Krishna to come and steal, because that way Krishna will come to their house. But when Krishna steals it, immediately they'll catch him. They say, Krishna, we caught you. And they want to take him to his mother, Yashoda. And Yashoda never believes that Krishna is a thief. Krishna is such a great actor. Can you all tell Urukrama? Urukrama. The greatest actor. The meaning of the word is greatest actor. Krishna is the greatest actor. Even if somebody goes and puts him in front of his mother, say, you are a thief. He'll tell, no, I am not thief. I didn't steal. He'll behave as if nothing happened. So this old lady is thinking, whenever she went in front of Yashoda and told, your son came and ate the butter in my house. Yashoda will tell, why will my son come and eat butter in your house? We have 900,000 cows. How many cows? 9 lakh cows Krishna had. 9 lakh cows. Personally, he used to take care. And Balram had more cows. So Yashoda is telling, we have 9 lakh cows. We have so much butter. Why will he come to your house and steal butter? So she never used to believe. So one gopi was thinking, I will make sure that I will catch this Krishna red-handed and I will take him to his mother red-handed. And then she has to agree. Okay? So one day she made butter, nice butter with lot of love, and she kept the butter inside a room and she went and stood behind the door. And then she was waiting. In Natkat to aayega abhi, ye pakka aayega. Slowly that little Krishna came inside. Right? He went to the butter pot and she's thinking, now is the time to catch. Ab to isko pakadna hai. He will take him to his mother, iska ho jayega. And slowly he goes, keeps the hand. Now more proof, he has kept his hand also. And then he removes the butter. More proof. He gives the butter in the mouth. Immediately the mother will come and he'll hold his hand. Krishna, tu pakad gaya. Aaj main pakad liya. Then Krishna, maine kya galti kiya? What did I do? What wrong did I do? Right? And she says, what wrong? This is my butter. Your hand is there inside the butter. Your mouth has butter. What wrong? What more wrong can you do? Your mother never believes that you are stealing, but now we caught you stealing. Krishna says, I was not stealing. What is his name? Urukrama, the greatest actor. Ab dekho, ab chalu hota hai. He says, I was not stealing. What do you mean you are not stealing? You are in my house. That is my butter. Your hand is there in the butter. What do you mean? No. My calf, I was playing with my calf. You know what is a calf, right? Gaya ka bachcha. I was playing with my calf. Calf was running around. I was running behind the calf. Suddenly I lost the calf. I thought the calf has entered your house, so I came into your house. What? ऐसी बात है? Then she says, अच्छा Krishna, तो calf के लिए तुम घर के अंदर आए हैं. But what are you doing inside the pot? You can take care of the calf, na? You can search for the calf. It is not there. You can go. Then little Krishna says, no, I thought the calf is inside the pot. Greatest actor. Bolo Urukrama. Greatest actor. Then the gopi wants to be serious. She wants to laugh, but she's trying to be serious. Little Krishna. अच्छा, तो तुम्हारा बछड़ा इसके अंदर है. Your calf is there inside the pot. Okay, that also I agree. But what is the butter doing in your mouth? Then he says, no, I was trying to search for the calf. बीच में butter आ रहा था. I eat a little. I can remove the butter so I can see the calf. Gopi says, ये तो इससे नटखट कोई नहीं. She holds his hand, says, now I am taking you to your mother. She takes the calf. She takes the boy. Can one small boy come here? Small boy, आप आ जाओ.